On this pleasant day, I welcome you all to the annual sports meet of Hira School.
ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆ ಬಬ್ಬುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಶಾಲಾ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೇ ಕ್ಷಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Here we have our headmistress and management escorting dignitaries to the dais.
Mr. Ismail Shafi, PTA President of Hira School, Honorary Doctorate Awardee. K.M. Ashraf, Vice Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust. To begin with the auspicious program, by the grace of God, I call on Janab Latif Alia for Quran recitation. Over to you, sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Jazakallah, sir, for setting a divinely atmosphere and setting a great beginning to this event.
ನೀನೊಡೆಯನು ದೇವ, ನೀನು ಮಹಾ ಮಹಿಮನು, ಆಕಾಶ ಭೂಮಿಗಳ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದವನು ಎಂದು ಭಕ್ತಿಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿ ದೇವರ ಕೃಪೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
True leader only if your actions inspire others. It is a matter of pride to have an excellent leader, our headmistress, Mrs. Gulshan Sheikh. Now, may I now request headmistress of Hira School to welcome the gathering.
I am very happy to see everyone blooming in the spirit of the sports day. It is an absolute honor to introduce you to the chief guest of today's program. It's my immense pleasure to welcome our beloved Vice Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust, Janab K.M. Ashraf, who is also the President for today's program and who is always with us no matter what. Welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, ACP, Traffic, Mangalore City. She is an MA in Sociology from Karnataka University, Dharwad. She has attended more than 18 National Cadet Corps camps in all over India. She has joined Police Department in the year 1919 and has won All India Sharpshooter Medal. She has served in Hubli, Dharwad, Bangalore, CID Cybercrime Division. She is awarded Chief Minister Medal in the year 2016. I welcome you, ma'am. I request Janab K.M. Ashraf, Vice Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust, to welcome the chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, with a token of love. Now, I would like to introduce Mohammad Ramiz, who won Mr. Asia 2019, held at Singapore, who is 8-time state-level powerlifting champion. He has also won the Best Powerlifter Award of India 2018 and Mr. India 2018 held at Ooty. Welcome you, sir. I request Janab Rahmatullah, correspondent of Hira School, to welcome Mr. Mohammad Ramiz. Thank you, sir. Now, I'd like to welcome Mr. H.R. Ishwara, BO of Mangalore South Range. Welcome you, sir. I request Janab Abdul Karim to welcome our BO, Mr. H.R. Ishwara. I welcome Ismail Shafi, PTA President of Hira School and Honorary Doctorate Awardee. I would request Janab Hanif sir to welcome the PTA President. We feel privileged to host you today. I would like to thank you for all accepting our invitation and gracing us with your presence. I also welcome the event judges, Mr. Karthik, Ms. Ashwita Bandari and Ms. Ramya. welcome you all. I also welcome Janab Abdul Karim, Secretary of Shanti Educational Trust, who has and is working hard for welfare of the institution. Then Janab Rahmatullah, who is the backbone of Hira and is always with us. Welcome you, sir. I welcome all the trustees of Shanti Educational Trust and HOD of Valley Education, Janab Shoaib Hussain Advi. He is the moral support and is working hard behind the scene. Welcome you, sir. I also welcome all the heads of Hira Institution, Mrs. Bhagirathi, Principal of Hira Women's Degree College, Mrs. Mehrun, Principal of Hira PU College, Mrs. Manjula, Headmistress of Hira School, Girls School. I welcome you all. I also welcome our PTA members who are with us supporting in all the activities throughout the year. Once again, welcome you all. Last but not the least, I would wholeheartedly welcome our administrator, Janab Zakir Hussain. We hope that with your energy, enthusiasm and focus on education and learning, our institute achieves greater excellence. Under your leadership and guidance, may we reach the next levels of glory. A warm welcome to the parents and families who are here to support their children. It's difficult to navigate these past few weeks for children who are working hard and preparing for the main day. It's because of the affection and encouragement that we see our children in high spirits, even after such tiring days. I am a witness to the effort put in by our teachers at every stage and guiding the students through it all. Motivating the students is quite a task. After such long days during the practice session, our teachers have done a commendable job. I welcome you all, dear teachers. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome the heroes behind the scene and make every event a successful one, that is non-teaching staff. It's because of your hard work that we can give undivided attention to the event and not worry about anything else. I welcome you all, dear media partners. The participants and all the students have shown so much enthusiasm for the event this year. It is your efforts and commitment that is evident in the march past and drills to begin with. I am sure you will do exceedingly well in the competitions as well. It's also important to remember that winning and losing is only a part of game. Enjoy the game and play well, then you will be the real winners. Do not engage in any interdisciplinary acts that will hamper the flow of sports spirit. Let's start the sports day. Once again, welcome you all and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ma'am. I wholeheartedly welcome you too to this program. May I now request high school students for prayer.
हे देवनी नोडेयनु महामहिमानु ನೀಗೈದೆ ಆಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಭುವಿಯನು ಹೇ ದೇವನಿ ನೊಡೆಯನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು ನೀನೈದೆ ಆಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಭುವಿಯನು ನಿನಗೋರ್ವನಿಗೆ ಸಕಲ ಸ್ತುತಿ ಸಲ್ಲುತ್ತಿಹುದು ನೀನೋರ್ವನೇ ಲೋಕಪಾಲಕನು ನಿನು ಕರುಣಾಮಯ್ಯು ನಿನ್ನದೇ ದಯೆಯು ಇಹ ಪರಗಳು ನಿನ್ನದೇ ದಯೆಯು ಹೇ ದೇವನಿ ನೊಡೆಯನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು ನೀಗೈದೆ ಆಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಭುವಿಯನು ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ನೀ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಇಹ ಪರಗಳ ವಿಜಯ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಪಥಿಕರಿಸು ನಮ್ಮನ ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಪಥದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದವರು ನಡೆದ ಪಥದಿ ಹೇ ದೇವನಿ ನೊಡೆಯನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು ನೀಗೈದೆ ಆಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಭುವಿಯನು ಹೇ ದೇವನಿ ನೊಡೆಯನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮಾನು.
ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಕರ್ತನಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ನಮಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
May I now request headmistress accompanied with the management of Hira School to escort our esteemed chief guest Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni to hoist the pride of our school flag.
it if you have to, but let the glory remain. Hold the flag high, let it flutter against the shiny blue sky. As a flag is flying high, let's feel proud to be a part of the school. With all due respect, I request the dignitaries present near the flagpole to salute the school flag.
ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ
Over the victory stand for the march past to begin. I now request Ms. Halima Jazila to take over the stage to introduce the 4 distinctive houses of March Past.
March Past is all about synchronization and teamwork. Marching in contingent demands alertness and unspoken coordination. The drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and the high-pitched voice issues a command. The synchronized swing of arms and sounds of thudding feet stirs something within us. Bring to it. We are extremely glad to introduce our 4 distinctive houses, namely Ocean Blue, Green Barretts, Royal Red and Yellow Warriors. A well-coordinated march past is a fest to the eyes and ear that plays emphasis of wearing, marching, saluting and coordinating. Right in front, marching Master Muhammad Abdul Shanuf of grade 9, the school pupil leader, guides the entire parade of cadets behind him, is an excellent athlete and an able leader. Followed by Ms. Zahra Batul of grade 10, school pupil leader of Hira Girls High School, is a responsible organizer, well-mannered person, excellency in academic records. Each house is represented by captain and house captain. Here at your side is Ocean Blue House, marching magnificently dressed in blue, symbolizes peace, tranquility, stability and loyalty, led by Captain Master Abdullah Saad of grade 9, is an enthusiastic leader, and Vice Captain Ms. Asha Chand of grade 10, who is leader in making. House marching majestically in front of you, dressed in green, symbolizes passion, sincerity, power and strength, is led by Captain Master Abdullah Yusuf Rafiq of grade 9, who has excellent academic records and a good sportsman, and Vice Captain Ms. Mariam Relina of grade 10 is a responsible leader. Idealism, led by Captain Master Abdul Rahim Anik of grade 8, is an active participant in half of grade 10 who has a good team spirit. Wisdom, cheerfulness and warmth, led by Captain Master Khan Muhammad Anas of grade 9, who has remarkable performance in academics, and Vice Captain Ms. Hasiba Inas of grade 10 is an ideal leader.
Hira institution, Janab Rahmatullah, to guide today's guest of honor, Mr. H.R. Ishwara, to release a bunch of balloons. Correspondents to guide the guest, Mr. Ishwara, to release a bunch of balloons.
ಬಾನಂಗಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬಲೂನಿನಂತೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಹೊರದುಮ್ಮಲಿ ಎಂದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
Pretty balloons in the air, lots of colors everywhere initiative. May I now request Honorable Administrator of Hira Institution, Janab Zakir Hussain, to escort our honorable guests, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, Mr. Mohammad Ramiz and Mr. H.R. Ishwara towards the house captains for distinctive groups. Warriors, yellow makes more sunshine, more sunsets, more sunflowers, more happiness. The most sincere form of respect is shaking hands. House Captain Master Abdul Rahim Anik encourage the chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, representing Team Royal Red. Shaking hands communicates a lovely message, where hearts are as close as the hands. Master Abdullah Yusuf Rafiq adjoined the chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, representing Team Green Barrets. Green stands for freshness and hope. House Captain Master Abdullah Saad reached the chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, representing Team Ocean Blue. Blue symbolizes peace, stability and loyalty.
It's time to light the flame which ignite the passion of sporting spirit. By passing the flame from one person to another in stages, the torch relay expresses the handing down of the symbolic fire from generation to generation. The first torch bearer of flame is Master Shahid Hussain of grade 8. As you all can see, the torch is lighted and the sports captain of Hira School, Shahid Hussain, is holding the torch bearer of flame, who is an outstanding sports person and an all-rounder who takes part in different school activities.
ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಉರಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಮಂತ್ರಿ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಶಾಹಿದ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಅವರು ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I request the audience to put a big round of applause to our Mr. Captain Shahid Hussain. As you all can see, he is moving forward with the torch to hand it over to the next person, the Master Mohammad Zahim of grade 7. Now, the torch is already passed on to Master Mohammad Zahim of grade 7, Assistant Sports Captain of Hira School, who is an excellent athlete and a talented sportsman.
ಏಳನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಜಹೀಂ ಅವರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Students, I request our audience to put your big round of applause to them. Next, as it is handed over to Miss Zahara Batul of grade 10, school pupil leader of Hira School, who exhibits good leadership quality and proves excellence in academic record.
ಇದೀಗ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಜೊಹರಾ ಬತುಲ್ ಅವರು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುಗೆ ಹಸ್ತಾಂತರಗೊಳಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The chance of taking over the torch now goes to Miss Nafisa Hebat of class 7, a karate champion who has a winning streak in karate competitions. She has won gold medals in district, state and national level karate champions. As you all can see, the students are moving towards the dais.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಾಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಪದಕವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ನಫೀಸತ್ ಹಿಬಾದ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲುತ್ತದೆ. ಇವರು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಫೀಸತ್ ಹಿಬಾದ್ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನು ವೇದಿಕೆಯತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರನ್ನು
Our guest, Mr. Mohammad Ramiz, to take over the torch from our dear student Nafisa Hebat. Finally, the torch is handed over to our respected guest of honor, Mr. Mohammad Ramiz. By raising the torch, Mr. Mohammad Ramiz spreads a message of peace, friendship, tolerance and hope. Thank you, sir. As you all can see, Hibat is moving forward with the torch to ignite the lamp. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. Light also symbolizes power, strength, and hope. A lamp does not speak, it manifests itself through its light. The tradition of lighting a flame comes from the ancient Greeks. This flame represents the aim of protection and struggle for victory. As you all can see, Nafisa Hibat is igniting the lamp. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them: desire, dream and dedication. Now may I request our respected guest of honor, Mr. Mohammad Ramiz, to declare the annual sports meet open.
Hira School 2022-2023 sports meets open.
Thank you, sir, for declaring the annual sports meet open. Cool to have a reputed person in today's event. May I now request esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, to share her wonderful thoughts. Over to you, ma'am.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. Good morning to everyone. Respected guest and other faculty members, teachers, students and all the family members of the Hira school. First of all, I would like to congratulate to each and everyone those who are participating in the sports event. Why I would say this? Because participation is more important than your winning the game. Your beloved teachers have made you so beautifully. They have arranged the blue house, green house, red house and yellow house. Each and every color has its own colorful meaning. I would take it in this way, that red says stop because I am in traffic. Green says go because I am in traffic. Yellow says please wait for your turn. That is yellow. Blue says always ocean, calm, cool, at home, in the event of the sports or in the education field. You take it in the any field. So all are really, I am very happy to see all these kids. Both girls and boys are equally participating. That is very, very, very important. And I would like to congratulate to each and everyone, those who are participating, then winning your games. Do you have any idea that how many games are there in the world? If you search in the Google, you will get more than 924 games are there. 924 games you can participate. How many of you know about some of them? You know cricket, you know football, you know volleyball, you know badminton, you know tennis and boxing, motorsports, and how can I miss this? Wrestling and so many others games are there. But please remember, there are 924 games are there to participate. You choose your game, whichever you want. Just participate, participate, participate. You will win the race once. That is your motto. So I'd like not to take much of your times, girls. I think you are very much enthusiastic to participate in the games. So may God's love and peace fill the hearts of all students, teachers, faculty members, family members, and other guests, and your whole team of HIRA, Hira team of school and their family. Have a great future, healthy future, and definitely you will have the successful life in your life to serve this nation. I would like to give you one small formula. That is, you might have heard about D3. D3 means, you must have seen the specs while watching the movie, D3 movie, 4D movie. So 3D is, one is, what I have seen now today is discipline, dedication, and third one is determination. All 3Ds I have seen today's your sports event. I am very glad that. And if you have this 3D, you can have G3 also. If you follow this, you will get G3. What is G3? G3, G4, G1, G2, G3. To having Google, right? No. G3 means go, grow globally. I wish you all the best. Please, I will see that in the next event. HIRA Hira School will participate in the all national and the world events. I wish you all the best. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, for inspiring our dear students and even the staff and all the faculty. Now, may I request BU to share his thoughts to the students.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಸಡಗರದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ACP ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರಾದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೀತಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೈಸ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ರವರಾದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ KM ಅಶ್ರಫ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ PTA ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಫಿ ಬಬ್ಬುಕಟ್ಟೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದಂತಹ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ರಮೀಜ್ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಆದಂಥ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಕರೀಂ ಸರ್ ಅವರು, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳಾದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುಲ್ಶನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ರವರು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಬೋಧಕ ಮತ್ತು ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ವೃಂದದವರು ಕೂಡ ತಾವುಗಳು ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪೋಷಕರು, ನನ್ನ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವುಗಳು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಾವುಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಸೋಲನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುವಂಥ ಮಾತಿದೆ. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಜಯವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಲೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅವನು ಸೋಲನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ತಾವುಗಳು ಈ ದಿನ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವುಗಳು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಎರಡನೇ ವಿಷಯ, ಮೊದಲು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವುದು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ACP ಮೇಡಮ್ನವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, 924 ಆಟಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಆಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 924 ಆಟಗಳು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 25ರಿಂದ 30 ಆಟಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯವಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳೋದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿ ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದ ಆಲೋಚನೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದಂಥ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮೂಡಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಾವುಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸುಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಉಂಟಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಳಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಕಿರಣ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಳಿಯ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಕಿರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸಂಕೇತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ದಿನ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಓದುವ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಓದುವುದನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಓದುವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಲು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವುದು, ಸತತ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ತಾವುಗಳು ಈ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಾವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಮ್ಮ ನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಜೆ ಬಿಡುವಿನ ವೇಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ತೊಡಗುವುದರಿಂದ ತಾವು ಏನು ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದ ಆ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾಗ್ತೀರಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತಾವುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಉತ್ತುಂಗ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಏರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ತಾವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಶೂ, ಬಾಪ ಮಂಗಳ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣ ಇದೆ ಬಾಲಿ, ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾಯಿಲಿ, ಆಟ ಆಡೋ ಬಾಯಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಿಡುವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಾವುಗಳು ಸಮಯಾವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ತಾವುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಶ್ರೇಯೋಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಮೀಸಲಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಬ್ಬದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯವರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಹಬ್ಬದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗಾಯವೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗದೇ ಇರುವಂತೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಬಾಳು ಬಂಗಾರವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಾ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Now request house captains to march forward for oath taking ceremony. Leaders are marching to take the oath, a shahama of class 10 of sportsmanship.
Stretch their right hand. We pledge on the occasion of Sports Day 2022 and 23 of our school. We pledge that we will actively participate in a various competition held on the sports meet. We also promise that we will abide by the rules and decision made by the sports committee. We will strive for the enhancement of sports by instilling sportsmanship in us. By this, we will attempt to bring forth the name of our institution to greater heights.
I now request House leaders to march towards the flagpole. As the Portuguese professional football player Cristiano Ronaldo mentions, believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. So his message conveys that once you believe in yourself, everything else is perfectly push each other's up. Among us, we have one such great person. I now request Mr. Mohammad Ramis to address the gathering.
It's my honor to be here and to present here. And I'll finish very fast now because I know all of you are excited to compete today. So always remember one thing, whatever your parents and teachers says, do that, because only these two people will never expect you to fail. I don't know others. Personally, what my parents said, I did that, and what my teachers made me to do, I did that. That's why I'm here. I think so. That's why I'm here, I feel. So, I remember my school days. I was doing all these things, so the nostalgia is coming back to me. And all the best who are participating today. Just participate in any other sports, not only sports, cultural events and any other thing. That time you will get to know your ability in what you are capable of. So keep participating and keep achieving. And all the best, guys. And thank you, Hira management, for inviting me. Thank you so much.
ಕೆಲಸದ ನಿಮಿತ್ತ ತೆರಳುತ್ತಿರುವ ಇಂದಿನ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಎಸಿಪಿ ಗೀತಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ HR ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸೋಣ.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
You really stop looking fear in the face. You must do the thing you think you cannot do. It's me, Shabana Abdurrahman, and here I am to present the felicitation on behalf of Hira institution. I'm here to congratulate Nafisa Habat of class 7th, daughter of Yasir Arafat and Kausar for her great achievement in kata and committee. Now, I call upon Miss Nafisa Habat along with her parent. Please come on the stage to receive an honor. I request Mrs. Fatima Mehroon to honor Nafisa Habat with the sash. Nafisa Habat, who is a karate champion of Hira School, has won many medals in kata and committee. The achievements achieved by our young achiever are as follows. She has won 2 gold medals in kata and committee in Zonal School Karate Championship held at Canara CBSE School, Mangalore in 2018. In 2019, she has won 2 gold medals in Inter-District School Karate Championship held at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, 1 gold medal and 1 Independence Cup 2019 in State Level Open Karate Championship held at Gokarnateshwara Temple. She has also won 2 gold medals in National Karate Championship at Father Muller Indoor Stadium, Mangalore in 2019. Now, coming to the national level. In 2019, she has won 2 gold medals in Kati and Committee in 12th national level competition held at Malagru CBSE School, Mangalore. 1 gold medal in Kata and Committee in National Karate Championship 2019 held at Goa. In 2022, she has won 2 gold medals in Kata and Committee in National Karate Championship held at Udupi. Now, I would like to call Janab K.M. Ashraf and Janab Kader to honor her with moment and gift and have brought her here to be felicitated. I would like to add that these students are the future leader of our beloved country. Lastly, I would like to add on behalf of the Hira School that I pray and wish her luck.
Congratulations, Nafisa Hebat. May the glory of your life never go dim, and may your achievement inspire other students. Let me conclude by challenging other students to go out and shine your light. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Go out and shine, and let the world rejoice with a hope at your shining light. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the directions of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions, though they are not present at the moment. As you all have recognized the absence of our beloved and dear correspondent, Janab Abdur Rahman, we have a message from him to be delivered at this grand event. So I request Headmistress to deliver his message. Over to you, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum all. On behalf of Raman sir, who is not here, is in Abu Dhabi at present, I am going to read his message. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning all. All praise is to the Almighty. With His blessings, we are able to conduct this important event today. On the occasion of Hira School conducting Sports Day, I would like to convey my best wishes for the grand success of the function. I very much wanted to be physically present on such a lovely day, but due to some family commitments, I could not be a part of it. The importance of sports in shaping the personality of the people is well known. Sports not only is beneficial for the fitness and health, but also helps in developing positive values such as team spirit, mutual cooperation, determination, developing strategies, etc. in life. It is also important to develop the sportsmanship spirit and observe ethical values. Participation is the key to success, and failure should be taken with a positive spirit. May Allah shower His blessings on all of us and enable us to conduct this event successfully. Best wishes and have a happy sports day. Thank you.
Please give them a big hands.
ಪಡೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿರಿ.
One more round of applause for the little champs.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಂಘದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಜನಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಶಫಿ ಇವರು ಶುಭ ನುಡಿಯನ್ನು ನುಡಿಯಲು ನಾನು ಕೋರಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಂ ಅಲೈಕುಂ ವರಹಮತುಲ್ಲಾಹಿ ವಬರಕಾತು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಲ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ACP ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ BO ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹಿತನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾತಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದರೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವಲಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತು ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಪಟುವಾಗಿ ಹೊರಬರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಸೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ಶಾ ಅಲ್ಲಾ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಹನಲ್ಲಿ ದುವಾ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತನ್ನ ಇತರ ಸಮಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಅಡಿಪಾಯವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಎಂದು ಜನರ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರಶಂಸೆ ಪಡಿಸಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿತ ಆ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ HM ಗುಲ್ಸನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, PTA ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಲಾ PTA ಕಮಿಟಿಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಪೋಷಕರು ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡುತ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಹಿರಾ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕಮಿಟಿಯ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧವಾದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನವರು, HM ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, PTA ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಂತ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ವಕ್ತಾರರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಶಾಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಕಮಿಟಿಯವರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಂ ಅಲೈಕುಂ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಶಫಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Program. May I now request Mrs. Manjula, Headmistress of Hira School, for proposing the vote of thanks. May I now request KM Sharif sir to. May I now, I'm sorry for the introduction. Sharif sir to propose the presidential speech.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Salatu Salam ala Rasulillahi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Dignitaries on the stage and my dear students, parents and teaching and non-teaching staff of the college, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I will not be taking much time. Alhamdulillah, we have been by the grace of Almighty Allah, I think after this Corona period, First time we are arranging this sports in a big way. So sports is all about increasing our or maintaining our spirit. Sportsmanship is very important in our daily life. Sports keep us fit. Sports, by keeping our body parts together in a coordination, it helps in coordination between our parts of the body. Not only it keeps our body parts united, sports help us to keep us united as a family, as a society, as a nation, not only as a nation, but whole world as a humanity. So this is, sports is very, very important, but nowadays we don't have much space for sports in our home and in schools. But there are a lot of opportunities, technology and other things have helped us to provide facilities for the sports. So like the stadiums are there in every cities. So using this one, we should try to develop our body, our physical fitness. As our guest told, only a good mind can be possible only by a good body. So, and education means overall development of the future generation, physical as well as mental and psychological. So with these things, we should have spirituality, that is the speciality of this Hira college. We should always be God-fearing and obeying God, Almighty Allah, in every field, in every aspects of our life. Then only we can succeed in this world and in the hereafter. So, with the great efforts, our staff has arranged this festival. It is already started. Take the opportunities, use the opportunity and excel in at least one field. There are, as told, there are a lot of games are there, but we should select according to our taste, our ability, and this one, as our guest, our sportsman Ramesh told, trust on teachers and parents, because at this tender age we cannot decide, and choosing a field, our parents and our teachers can help us by their experience, so they can recognize the talent in us and our opportunities. And nowadays the sportsmen, for choosing the sports field, we need not afraid of economic problem also, because there are lot of careers coming with the sport in the field of sports. If you can choose the career in sports field also. So that's why without much talking, I conclude this my presidential speech, and I request you to participate in all the events with the full spirit. Don't let your spirit loose. See, now this the sports helps us to face the challenges in the life. And first experience is here, sun is challenging you. After so many days of hiding, now sun has come out in the full bloom. So he wants to challenge you. Take the challenge. Take this opportunity and excel in the fields. And I wish you all the best. I hope that some of the Olympians will be created from this Hira institution, and they will bring laurels to the institution. And wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Education is an all-round development of student, spiritually, mentally and physically. Thank you, sir, for sharing this wonderful thought to the students. May I now request Mrs. Manjula ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
Most honorable chief guest, guest of honor, parents, staff members and students, a bright morning to all. It's our esteemed honor to propose a vote of thanks. First and foremost, we thank our Lord Almighty for countless blessing and making today's event a magnificent one. We extend our heartfelt thanks to Janab K.M. Ashraf, Vice Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust, for presiding over today's program. Thank you, sir. We are very much thankful to our guest who is not with us now, Mrs. Geeta Kulkarni, ACP, Traffic Mangalore, who motivated our student. We thank our chief guest, Janab Mohammad Rameez, Mr. Asia 2019, for accepting our invitation and inaugurating sports meet. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks goes to Mr. H.R. Ishwar, BEO of Mangalore South Range, who is not with us at present, and we are thankful to him for his constant motivation and support. We also thank Janab Ismail Shafi, Honorary Doctorate Award, and our school PTA President for his active participation in all school activities and support. Thank you, sir. We thank sports meet judges, Mr. Karthik, Miss Ashwita Bandari and Miss Ramya, for taking out some time for us. Today, we are blessed with the presence of K.M. Sharif, Janab K.M. Sharif, Founder Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust. Thank you, sir. We thank Janab Abdul Karim, Secretary of Shanti Educational Trust, for his motivating and supporting in all aspects as we grow. We render our sincere thanks to our correspondent, Janab Rahmatullah, for supporting us as a ladder to reach the pole of success. With deep reverence and love, we would like to thank our all management members and HOD of Value Education, Janab Shoaib Hussaini Navdi, for your presence in this program. Thank you, sir. We thank all the heads of Hira institution, Mrs. Fatima Mehroon, Mrs. Gulshan ma'am, the primary HOD, primary HM, for your presence and support in all the aspects. We would like to express our gratitude to our administrator officer, Zakir Hussain, for planning and leading this event of Sports Day celebration. Our sincere thanks to our parent and PTA members for their heartfelt support. We express heartfelt thanks to all the teachers and non-teaching staff for their full-hearted support to conduct this event. We express our thanks to all the participants for being a part of this day. Heartfelt gratitude to media for being with us throughout the program. Finally, we would like to thank all our dear students who are the heart of today's program. Thank you, one and all.
I thank you too, ma'am, for your efforts and precious presence. As we come to the end of the program, I request your students and parents to remain back for the most awaited grand finale of track events.
See the green color forward in the first place. Come on! Come on, come on! Yellow is taking the lead.
The yellow team is in lead. Everybody cheer up for the yellow.
Yes.
Afnan and Saman is in the competition. And the final winner is yellow team. Now, ladies and gentlemen, cheer up our boys with the rough and tough boys are running on the track, and the red is in leading, and behind the green is following. Our boys with a lot of energy running on the track. The baton has passed to the sports minister, Shanoff. The Shanoff is in leading, and also the Shahid. They are competing in a very good manner. Shanoff, we don't want to give up. Hands, Shanoff. Sana of grade 6, please assemble near the victory pole. Sana of 6th standard. Sana, I request all the students to get back. Boys' energy is not sufficient. Once again, 1. I want every boys to run and come. 1. Salute. The blue team members, everybody from standard 1 to 10, all the group members, the blue team members, please assemble here. Out of 10, I want every blue team member. No, it is not for the victory. Please note, it is not for the victory. And
Assemble in the ground.
And 3. Run fast, come running.
100-meter running race. Senior boys. First place goes to Abdullah Saad of 9.
By the count of 10, I want everybody to... Yes. Shall we start? I did not start. The girls are moving. I did not start. 1, 2, 3.
200-meter race. Senior boys. First place goes to Shanoff of 9th. Abdullah of 9th.
Few boys are out of the line. So, are you ready for the count? 1. Take 1 on distance. Boys, teachers please take the initiative there. Teachers please, Kanza ma'am, please take the initiative then. Yes. The green team is not in the line. I can see the first line.
Salute.
The boys first line, they have not taken the
Order.
Assemble near the stage.
To extend my warm welcome to all present here for the closing ceremony of our annual sports meet 2022. Let me first acknowledge the presence of some of our eminent guests. It is indeed a pleasure to have amongst us Mr. Mustaq Patla, Councillor, City Municipal Council, as our chief guest. Mr. Janab Syed Salam, activist and social worker, as a guest. And the president of today's function, H. Mahmood, Chairman, Shanti Educational Trust, Babbukatte. I now request our administrator, Mr. Zakir Hussain, to escort the dignitaries. Today's guest judges, Mr. Karthik K, Ms. Ashwita Bandari, and Ms. Ramya. I ask Mr. Rahmatullah sir to escort them to the stage. Prayer is an invocation of the heart, a calling forth of divine energies to be manifested in one's life. I now call upon our high school girls for the prayer song.
Neenodayanu Deva, Neenu Mahamahimanu, Bhumi Akashagala ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದವನು ಸಕಲ ಸ್ತುತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಸಲು ನೀನೋರ್ವನು ದೇವ ಲೋಕಪಾಲಕನು ನಿರ್ಣಯಕ ದಿನದ ನೀನೊಡೆಯನಂದು ಜೀವಿಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಡುವೆ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಅಂದು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನೇ ಪೂಜಿಪೆವು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವ ನಿನ್ನೊಡನೆ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ನಾವು ದೇವ ನೀನೊಡೆಯನು ದೇವ ನೀನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮನು ಭೂಮಿ ಆಕಾಶಗಳ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದವನು ಸಕಲ ಸ್ತುತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಸಲು ನೀನೋರ್ವನು ದೇವ ಲೋಕಪಾಲಕನು ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ನೀ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಇಹ ಪರಗಳೆರಡರ ವಿಜಯ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ನೀ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಇಹ ಪರಗಳೆರಡರ ವಿಜಯ ತೋರು ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಪಥೀಕರಿಸು ನಮ್ಮನ ಸಜ್ಜನರ ಪಥದಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೃಪೆಯನ್ನು ಆಲಿಸಿದವರು ನಡೆದ ಆಪತ್ತದಿ ನೀನೊಡೆಯನು ದೇವ ನೀನು ಮಹಾಮಹಿಮನು ಭೂಮಿ ಆಕಾಶಗಳ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿದವನು ಸಕಲ ಸ್ತುತಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಸಲು ನೀನೋರ್ವನು ದೇವ ಲೋಕಪಾಲಕನು.
Welcome is the first sign of hospitality. I now request Mrs. Arifa ma'am to welcome the gathering. May the peace and blessings be upon you all. A very good afternoon. Sports make our life interesting, teaches us to work hard and push our limits to reach a new high. As we have reached an end of today's program, I am here to welcome you all for the closing ceremony of Annual Sports Meet 2022. I take this golden opportunity to welcome the President of today's program, Janab A.H. Mahmood, Chairman of Shanti Educational Trust, without whom today's event wouldn't be complete. Welcome you, sir. I extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Janab Mushtaq Patla, Councillor, City Municipal Council Ullal, who has made all of us proud of his distinguished work in numerous capacities. I request Janab Zakir Hussain to hand over a sapling to our chief guest as a token of gratitude. Salam, the activist and social worker Ullal, we are indeed grateful for your gracious presence. I feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to the idols of today's program, esteemed judges, Mrs. Ashwita Bandari, Mr. Karthik K. and Mrs. Ramya, who have not only contributed with their efforts but also provided the just and impartial judgments. A warm welcome to Janab, a pleasant welcome to Janab Rahmatullah, the correspondent of Hira institutions, who is an idol of knowledge, experience and inspiration to all of us. Welcome you, sir. Now I'd like to welcome Mr. Zakir Hussain, the administrator, who ensures the smooth flow of information from one part to another, thus without whom an organization would not run professionally and smoothly. To all the management and trustees of Shanti Educational Trust, who always focuses on developing the goals and policies of school activities. I also welcome our PTA members for all the supports providing all the supports in all our activities. Let's care, guidance and support prove that you are a great leader. With a thankful heart, I welcome the headmistress of Hira Primary Section, Mrs. Gulshan, and the headmistress of Hira High School Section, Mrs. Manjula. Welcome you, ma'am. A
A warm welcome to Janab Abdul Karim, Secretary of Shanti Educational Trust, who is always ready to encourage us with his endless efforts. A warm welcome to parents and family who are here to support the rock on which future will be built. Time to welcome the real heroes of today's program who are working hard to showcase their talent. You all. Teaching and non-teaching staff who always work behind the scene and make every event a successful one. Welcome you all. Thank you. I request Mr. Abdul Karim sir to come up on the stage. I request Mr. Abdul Karim sir to come up on the stage. Thank you ma'am. That was such a red carpet welcome to everyone. I welcome you too. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Dear audience, we are delighted to have with us Mr. Mustak Patla as the honorable chief guest of today's ceremony. I invite you, sir, to address the gathering.
All praises and glory be to Almighty, the creator of universe, including you and me. Respected dignitaries on dais, dear students and parents, just I utilize this opportunity only to thank this great institution, Hira, for arranging such kind of sports activities through well systematic and well planned and arranged this event. And also, usually I used to tell many times, this is the unique institution giving such a type of training, including soul, mind and body. This is a unique example for this institution having such a kind of arrangement to provide and motivate their talents of students. So, thanks for giving opportunity.
Thank you, sir. We are charmed by your sharp fluency. A special thanks goes to the following guest judges who had the challenging task of judging today's events. With deepest appreciation for the excellent efforts of Mr. Karthike, Ms. Ashwita Bandari and Ms. Ramya on the field for the day and conducting all events smoothly. I request them to accept this token of appreciation from Janab Syed Salam. With deepest appreciation for the excellent efforts of Mr. Karthike, Ms. Ashwita Bandari and Ms. Ramya on the field for the day and conducting all events smoothly. I request all to give them a big applaud. I request Ms. Ashwita Bandari to receive the token of love from Mustak Patla. Give them a big round of applause. I now request H. Mahmood sir to give the memento to Ms. Ramya. Are the crops that are nurtured, groomed and given all possible opportunities to grow and bloom. The participants were at their best exhibiting spirit of competition and enthusiasm. Really thankful to you all for providing this exciting moment. This is a much awaited event with such a wonderful participants awaiting the results of their performance. The time is apt to redeem them from their curiosity. Without much ado, I call upon our HM Mrs. Gulshan ma'am to announce the names of the winners.
Good afternoon, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Are you all excited? I can't hear you. Okay. It gives me immense pleasure to host this ceremony that has been observed to commemorate the achievements of our teams and athletes. Our young athletes participated in all major games like Kho-Kho, throwball, volleyball, dodgeball, tug-of-war and emerged with flying colors. Today, I am here to announce the winners' names of individual senior boys girls, individual junior boys girls and overall championship 2022-23 of Hira School. Now it's time to honor the individual champion junior boy. Individual champion junior boy, that is from the blue group, individual championship
from the blue group, Sahil from 7th standard. Hamid Sahil, please come to the stage. I request Zakir sir to give the trophy. Zakir sir, okay, I request C.H. Salam sir to give the trophy. Congratulations Sahil. Next comes individual champion junior girl. Junior girl, blue group. Don't do conjusi, come on, clap. Khatija Amna of 7th standard. Next comes individual champion senior boy. Individual champion senior boy from red group. From red group, Muhammad Shanoof, 9th standard. Come on, cheer up to give the trophy. Next, individual champion, senior girl. Individual champion, senior girl. She's from green group. Aisha Shahama of 10th standard. Again, girl spirit, come. Ma'am, to give the trophy. Have reached to the most important part of today's program, for which all our students have put their complete effort. That is overall championship. In this overall championship, it's considered March past also. So first I'll tell March past winners, but don't come here. It is included in the overall championship itself. March past, first place. No, I'll tell for second place. Second place, green group. Sit boys, sit. Congratulations, green group and the teachers. First place, red group. Okay now. Overall championship. Okay, sit down. Overall championship. I'll go from 4th place. 4th place backed by yellow group with 392 points. Clap. 3rd place goes to green group, 453.5 points. Runner up, red group with 596 points. Runner up, red group, come and take your trophy. Runner up, not all, any group leader, red any group leader, come running. And the winners are and overall championship for 2022-23 Hira, blue with 650 points. I request the leader to come and take your trophy. Anyone from group blue, please, anyone from blue. Again, I request H. Mahmood sir to give the overall championship. Repeat. Blue, please maintain silence or else I'll take the trophy back. I'll give to other group. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and participants. Thank you all.
And also congratulations to all the students. Whether you have won or not, you are all the winners. In the long run, your active and continued participation in sports and your active and continued participation, the athletes would pay you rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being and happiness, inshallah. I request all the teams, all the students, please be seated there. The program is not yet over. Gratitude is a fairest blossom which springs from the soul. I call Mrs. Mata ma'am to express the words of gratitude. A very good afternoon to all. No duty is more urgent than that of returning thanks. I consider it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I extend heartfelt thanks President of today's program, Janab A.H. Mahmood, Chairman of Shanti Education Trust, for his remarkable presence and constant motivation at all times. Thank you, sir. I thank Chief Guest of today's program, Janab Mustaq Patla, Councillor of City Municipal Council Ullal, for his valuable presence in spite of his very busy schedule. Thank you, sir. I render my sincere thanks to Janab C.H. Salam, social worker and activist for his presence. I also thank our AOS Jaki sir, Secretary Janab Karib and correspondent Janab Rahmatullah. Thank you, sir. I thank you to our administrators Mrs. Gulshan Sheikh and Mr. Manchula, who motivated and supported us for the success of this event. Thank you, ma'am. We thank all the judges from the bottom heart of us, taking out some time for us and gracing the event for their judicious judgment. Mr. Karthik K, Mr. Imtiaz, Mrs. Ashwitha, Mrs. Ramya. Thank you all. Thanks to all my colleagues for their dedication and support. Thank you, dear teachers. I thank all dear parents for your accepting the invitation and being part of today's annual sports meet. Thank you, dear parents. I thank PTA member Muhammad Sharif sir. Thank you for your presence. I would also like to thank the hand beyond the success of today's event, that is none other than the facilitators of the ground, sound system, media and Shamiana. Thank you all. This sports day would not have been glorified without you, my dear student, which made us the day a memorable one. Thank you one and all. God bless you. Finally, I thank all present here for their direct and indirect help and achieve success this event. Thank you all. God bless you. Thank you, ma'am, and I thank you too. Sorry for the inconvenience. I now call our beloved president, today's president, Mr. A.H. Mahmood sir, to deliver the presidential address and also to motivate the students.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah Amin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೀರಾ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಲ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಆ ಅಲ್ಲಾಹನಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಹಮ್ದುಲಿಲ್ಲಾಹ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸಲ ಯಾರು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೋ ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಇದ್ದು ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಜಗತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವೇ ಈಗ ಫಿಫಾ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಂಟು. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಹೀರಾ ಶಾಲೆ ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನವರು ಬಹಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೀರಾವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನವರು ಬಹಳ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾರು ಸಹ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರಾಶೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಖಂಡಿತ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೆಲ್ಬಹುದು, ನಿರಾಶೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪರಾಜಯ ವಿಜಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ದಾರಿ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನೀವೊಂದು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಕಳಕಳಿಯಿಂದ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನವರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
The flag is now being lowered. The flag is being folded now. It is now and is preserved for the next year sports meet.
So let's all visit.